welcome back to Julsie Days. I'm Julsie, and today we are going to be making chicken pot pie. So first, we have the crust, we have a bottom and a top, and we're making two today because my family loves pot pies. And so what we have in the bowl are 2 cans of creamed potato, and we also have 1 bag of mixed vegetables, and it has peas, corn, and carrots in it. So we mix that all up, and now we're gonna add chicken breast, and it's 2 cans, like 2 cups. So we're gonna add it in and mix it up. And now we need to add black pepper, salt, and onion powder. So I don't really measure what I put in, so I just sprinkle some on top of each thing, and then I just mix it in. So right now I'm preheating the oven for 350, and then that's what it's doing while we're preparing the pot pies. So we've divided them equally into the 2 bottoms, and now we're gonna try to do this without it breaking. So you kind of like line it up. Somehow I'm gonna do this. So I think I got it. I'm going to try to get it out of this pan thingy. So we got it out, and now we're just kind of gonna put some slits on the top so the air can escape, so it doesn't all puff up and explode. So we're kind of making some slits in it. So now I'm just kind of pinching the edges together to make it a little purdy, so it looks nice and that the top and the bottom are blended. And then we're gonna put some more slits in this one. And then we are going to put it in the oven. So it is preheated. I'm going to get my little mitt and put it in here. So I forgot to tell you that I'm gonna put this on a cookie sheet so that if it bubbles over, it will go into the pan and it'll be easier to take in and out. So now we're gonna put it in. Okay. Now we are just going to let that bake for 20 minutes. So, see you soon. So, we baked it for 20 minutes and it wasn't golden brown. So we baked it for another 20 minutes. So you guys could just bake it until it's golden brown. So now we are going to cut it. So now we get to taste it. So. This is very good. I guarantee it for a family dinner. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and like the video. Bye.